Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a direct debit on Vanguard. First, go to your browser and log into your Vanguard account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Payments. Look for your direct debit. You'll know it's the right one because it says regular monthly payments at the top. Go to Order Options, click the three vertical dots, and then select Cancel. A message will appear saying the cancellation will take effect in 8 business days and won't affect your next payment. If you're okay with that, click Cancel to confirm. And that's it. That's how to cancel a direct debit on Vanguard. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.